In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Instagram desktop app in laptop or PC in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just go to search and type store. You'll be having the Microsoft Store option here. Just select open, and here in search, just search for Instagram. Here we'll be having the official one. If I click it, as you can see, it has around 20,000 ratings, and simply click on get. This will take some time to download and install, so just be patient. So once it is done, you can just search for Instagram. You'll be having the Instagram app. So just click on open, and we'll be getting the Instagram interface like this. You can simply sign in and use it. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.